Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the front strut assembly on this 2006 Ford F150. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button for me and comment below? It really helps me out a lot. First thing we're going to do is crack loose our lug nuts and then elevate our vehicle and take our wheel off. Okay, the first thing we're going to do here is take out this bottom bolt on the strut. So what I've done here is, because this was really tough to get loose, I put this little jack under my breaker bar here, jacked it up to break this loose. When the nut over here started turning, I've got this big crescent wrench that I put on there to keep the nut from turning. If you've got a socket big enough for that nut, great, do that. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is break this nut loose and take it off. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is loosen up the sway bar link here. So put a wrench on the bottom side here and loosen this up. We're just going to loosen it up to the end. I'm going to try not to have to take it all the way off. Alright, last thing we need to do here to get the strut out is take off these three nuts that are up here. There's one right here, there's one back here, and then there would be one right here, but it's broken off on mine, but there should be three up here on yours. Alright, now to get this strut out, take a hammer and bang on the back side till it pops out of this slot. You should be able to slide it down and wiggle it out of here. A little tip, if you're having trouble getting the strut out past this control arm here, just loosen these nuts that are on the ends of here, and then this control arm will be able to swing like this and you'll be able to get that strut out really easily. And then you ought to be able to slide your new one in the way that you took this one out, and then put it back together the way you took it apart. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, comment below. I'm going to have an Amazon link in the description to where you can get a new strut assembly on Amazon. If you want to check that out, it helps me out a little bit. And thanks for watching and have a good one.